Just a heads up before you watch the next video, a common problem that happens because we're using Autodesk Inventor Professional 2022, the instructional videos were recorded and used the 2020 version. The 2020 version allowed you to click and drag pieces and rotate them while keeping these stationary. The 2022 version has changed that. Now when you click and drag a piece, it takes the entire assembly with you. At this point, you will not have this completely set up, but I wanted to give you a heads up before you start on the next video so that you know how to fix the problem once you run into it. If you want to test the rotation on this, what you have to do, go ahead and zoom in here. Zooming in with the scroll wheel. We're going to go ahead and selectively ground different parts that we don't want to move so that the other pieces can move. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to right click on this piece, ground it, so now he is locked into space. He cannot move up, down, left, right, in, out. Then when I click and drag this, Inventor knows this has to stay. So when I click and drag this, it will move. Click and drag down here. He will move because this is stuck in place. It's not allowed to be dragged along with it. And then when you're done, just tap Escape to unselect everything, and then right-click this piece again and unground. Tap Escape, and you'll be back to normal so that you can keep on assembling. As a second example, same thing as before, right here, you'll get these two pieces lined up eventually, and when you try to slide it closer, it just moves the entire selfie stick. If you want to stop that from happening, just to test things out, tap Escape. I'm going to lock this piece into position, right-click, and ground it. He is stuck in place. This guy cannot move the entire selfie stick anymore. So when I click and drag, he will end up moving closer. And then when I'm done testing it, I can tap Escape to unselect, right-click, and unground. Remember, at most, you want one piece grounded at a time. You usually don't want any more than that. The way that you can check to see if a piece is grounded is looking over here at your model browser. These little icons, none of them have a thumbtack in them, so that means nothing is grounded. That's why I'm allowed to move. However, if I ground at least one piece, right-click on this piece again, ground it. Now we see, here it is, stick adapter 1 has a little itty-bitty thumbtack icon. He's stuck in place and in space, and now I can rotate things.